Restoring lives really is something that speaks to the depth that I feel we have as a law firm. Be it our nurse consultants, our paralegals, our attorneys, we try to put ourselves in the position of our client, of their family, to get to know their needs so we can solve their problems. Truly restoring lives is our mission.
We limit the number of cases we take. We want to only have cases that we feel we can really make a difference on, and we want to have the time to be able to put everything we can into these cases.
I think that benefits us as a firm because we're doing what we love doing. Also benefits the client because they have the opportunity to have a team surround them, not just one attorney.
The best word I think that describes our team here at WKW is compassionate. Everyone on our team here cares so much about our clients, the predicament that they're in, and our mission to restore their lives.
We have a really great staff here and group of people who want to be advocates for our clients and who have done this for some time now.
It's a team of people who are here because they want to be here. They want to understand somebody's problem, make them their own, solve the problem, and restore their life and their family as very best we can.